welcome to Growing Guitar. We have Wednesday here, and that means Wish Wednesday. You wish for songs, and I bring them up here for you on these specific days. So this time we have you, Leo Lux 777. You wish for this song from Rodwave called Boyz Don't Cry. Alright, so I saw this one on YouTube, and I saw there was an acoustic version of it as well. This one is the original Boyz Don't Cry. So we're gonna take a look at this one. Hope you enjoy this, and for all you Rodwave fans out there, hope this will be great for you as well. So let's take a look at Boyz Don't Cry. We'll do that with the capo set here on the 3rd fret. That's the best scenario for this song. And with that we have 4 easy chords, very common chords, this combo. So let's go over these ones. So the chords here will be E minor, C, G, and D, and we will do them with this top notes staying there at the same spot. You just switch bass notes, so to speak. So anyway, let's take a look at this with E minor first. So that is open E, second A, second D, open G, and now comes this 3rd B and 3rd E. That is the E minor for this specific song here. This 3rd B and 3rd E will stay with us, like I said, during the entire song almost. So that is the E minor. The next chord is C. So you keep that 3rd B and 3rd E down there. You just switch the fingers to this place here in the bass. So that will be 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. That was the C. The next chord is G. You take the exact same fingers there and put them one string above like this, and you get the G there. So that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, and 3rd B, 3rd E. And then we have the final chord, the D. So that is open D, 2nd G, and 3rd B, 3rd E. So there you have the chords. Alright, so we'll start with this picking pattern, and it's based upon the E minor, C, and G. So what I suggest is that you're still going to glue kind of these fingers down there, the ring finger on 3rd B and a little pinky on 3rd E. So you're gonna play this part. Okay, so you pick the open E string in the bass together with high E string down there, 3rd fret, like this. Then you're gonna play the 3rd B. And then you're gonna alternate the 3rd E and 3rd B for 4 rounds. So you play this first kick and then 3rd B, and then you do 4 rounds of this, like that. So slowly. Okay, so that's a certain rhythm here. You don't push just you have to kind of fall forward. That's kind of the feeling you have. You push like this, so. This kind of jumpy feeling or falling forward. That's what I imagine when I play this one. So that is the E minor. The next is C there, and you're gonna go to this grip. You still have the same fingers down there, 3rd B, 3rd E. You just switch to the 3rd A string there as the new bass note. So the pattern is exactly the same. So you hit the first kick there, 3rd A together with 3rd E, then 3rd B, and then you do the 3rd E and 3rd B, alternate that for 4 rounds. Right? So, slowly. That's the C. Next is G. You just play a new bass note there, 3rd fret E string. And yes, you're gonna start like this. Okay, so that is a 3rd E in the bass together with high 3rd E. And then 3rd B. And then you alternate again the 3rd E with the 3rd B, but now only for 3 rounds, not 4. And then on the 4th round, so to speak, you play again 3rd E, but you slide out to 5th E. Okay, so this is half into the G, because this is twice as long as the other chords. So far you played like this slowly. And then you go back again to the original grip there and play the same start again, 3rd E and 3rd high string E together, and then 3rd B. And then you alternate again the 3rd E and 3rd B for 3 rounds. And then on the 4th round you play still 3rd E and then 2nd E. All right, so the last half of this G is like this slowly. And that's the full melody there. So I'm gonna take you through from the E minor to C to G here in a slower tempo so you really understand what's going on here. Let's go. And standard. And that is 1 round. All right, so nice melody there, but you don't have to stay with the melody. It could be a little bit too much to handle that through entire songs. So we'll dive into the strumming world now. So we have a chord progression that goes E minor, C, and G for 2 rounds. That follows the melody, but sometimes in the song it also plays E minor, C, G, and D. 1 strumming round per chord. So what about the strumming? Let's go to E minor and learn that one. So 1 round will be down, down, up, clap, down, down, clap, down. Like this. So the first half of it will be down, down, up, clap, down. Again. And the second half will be down, clap, down. So if you put them together, it will be down, down, up, clap, down, down, clap, down. And notice there's a short little pause there between these 2 halves, so to speak. So down, down, up, clap, down, pause, down, clap, down. Like this. So, like I said, you play E minor 1, C1, and G2. That follows the melody. It goes like this. But you also have the E minor, C, G, and D in the end there, one strumming around per chord, and it sounds like this. Or something like that in the end, a little freestyle. But anyway, Rod Waves, Boyz Don't Cry, a beautiful song. So hope you enjoyed this, LeoLux777. I really appreciate your interaction with me here on Goring Guitar, and feel free to ask for songs again, everybody. That's it's nice to see that you really want something, and I'm here to serve you. So yeah, Wednesdays are yours. So feel free to leave a comment, and also to support me here in different ways on Goring Guitar. So thank you so much, and play tuned.